Let's solve the questions from our previous editions, of which we have our question 1 to be 2 on 3 minus 5 over 12 divided by 3 on 4. 1 on 6 plus 7 on 2. Let's solve the ones in the bracket first. With this, we can multiply and cancel out. So with this, we cancel the 2. We also can change the other ones in the other bracket. But with this, let's move on. Bracket first, so we have 1 on 1 by 1 on 3. We have 5 on 12. But with this, we have to change the division sign to multiplication sign. So we reciprocate the one on the right, making it times 4 on 3, all divided by 1 on 6 plus 7 on 2. Let's continue. We have 1 on 3 minus, we cancel out here. We have 4 into itself 1 and into 12 3 times. So we have 5 on 9. We have the one beneath, so we have 1 on 6 plus 7 on 2. Now let's solve them separately. So we change this into a division sign, making it 1 on 3 minus 5 on 9, or bracket, divided by 1 on 6 plus 7 on 2, sorry. At least come on, multiple else here. We have 9 here, and here we have 6. 3 into 9 is 3 times 1 is 3 minus 9 into 5 is 1 times 5 is 5 divided by 6 into 6 is 1 times 1, and we have 3 into 2 into 6 is 3 times 7 is 21. So we break it down again, we subtract them. We have minus 2 over 9 divided by 22 over 6. Okay, so we have minus 2 on 9 divided by 22 on 6. With this, we have to change the division sign to multiplication. Therefore, we reciprocate the ones on the left hand side. Reciprocating it, we have minus 2 on 9 times 6 on 22, where we can cancel. We have 2 into itself 1, and into 22 11. We have 3 into 6 2, and into 9 3. Our final answer gives us 1 times 2, we have 2, all over 3 times 11, we have 33. 33, don't forget we have a negative. That's our final answer. With question 2, we are asked to write down the range for the set of raw numbers represented on the number line. So let's draw the number line. We have number line A with this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Negative, 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 negative. For this, the first thing that we write is our x. X is such that x is equal to, we first look at the symbol, whether it is a shaded dot or a round circle. For this, we know it's either less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. With the look of this, we can find out that all the numbers from the cursor of the arrow, we know all the numbers are greater than the 0.5 of which the point is being located. So therefore, x is greater than or equal to 0.5 minus 0.5. A. First thing we have to do is to find our x. After finding our x, look at the symbol at which the number is based on. So we have a shaded dot. That means it's either a less than, a greater than, or equal to, or a less than or equal to. For us to know whether it's less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, we have to know the direction of the arrow. The numbers of which the arrow is showing are all greater than 0.5. That's minus 0.5. Therefore, that means x is greater than or equal to minus 0.5. Let's move on to B. For the diagram for B, we have one, two, three, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Negative, 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 negative. We have this question. Sorry, straight to this question. First thing we do again is what? We find our x. X is such that x is equal to. With this, we look at, since there are two signs here, let's start from the left hand side. We have what? Minus 1.5. We know it's either greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. The numbers between the 2 points are all greater than 0.5. Minus 1.5. So hence, it's less than or equal to x. We know it's an open one, so it's just either a greater than or a less than. The range of x is also between 4, less than 4, sorry. Since it's an open one, it's less than 4. So as x is also less than 4. Question 3. With question 3, the statement goes this way. We are going to use the statement to write our data down. So therefore, let's listen. A vehicle with a tank full drove some meters away from home, using 3 feet of the fuel. If it later drove 10 kilometers, that's 3/9 of the fuel, find I, in fraction, the amount of fuel left in the tank. So let's draw our data down. So the first journey, that's from home. From home is 3 on 5, and later is 3 on 9. So we are asked to find for the fraction that's left. So with this, we are supposed to add the from home and the later and subtract it from the total fraction. That's the highest fraction is 1. So we subtract it from the highest fraction, of which is 1, to get the fraction left. So fraction left is equal to 1 minus bracket 3 on 5 plus 3 on 9. Bracket first. We have 1 minus bracket. Our LCM is 45. 5 into 45, 9. 9 by 3 is 27. 9 into 45 is 5. 5 by 3 is 15. So we have 1 minus 42 on 45. Every whole number is over 1. So we have 42 over 45, with our LCM being 45. 1 into 45 is 45. 45 times 1 is 1. So 45 minus 45 into 45 is 1. 45 times 1 by 42 is 42. So we have our answer to be 3 on 45. 45, sorry. Whereas we can cancel 3 into itself 1 and into 45 15 times. So our final answer here is 1 on 15. Therefore, fraction left equals 1 on 15. II. With II, we have to find how much fuel that the car holds when full. If 3/9 is equivalent to 5 liters, so now we have 3/9 of the fuel is equal to 5 liters. And we said the total fraction of the fuel was 1. So we have 1. So if 3/9 is equal to 5 liters, then 1 is equal to x. So now we do if less, more divides. So we have 1 over 3 on 9 by 5. So with this, we have to change this portion. So it becomes 1 divided by 3 on 9, or brackets, times 5 liters. So liters. We reciprocate the one on the left. So we have 1 times 9 on 3 times 5 liters. Multiply them, we are going to get 9 on 3 by 5 liters, of which is going to be equal to 45 over 3 liters. Whereas you can cancel out. We have 3 into itself 1 into the 45 15 times. Hence our answer gives us 15 liters. This brings us to the end of this edition. Thank you for solving it. And I know you have gotten a better understanding of this. Bye.